What's up guys, Quinn the Crypto here, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Bitcoin and what's been happening. So here on the weekly chart on Coinbase, I've pretty much just been rolling around in this trend, and it's just been really boring, and altcoins haven't really been doing much. It's been really choppy, but you know, it looks like it's trying to find a little. It looks like it's making a little bottom, but you know, we're still getting some red bars, so we have to be careful. I mean, it's definitely not like prices down here, because it just moves so differently nowadays. Because it's just you know, it got adopted so fast, and there's so many exchanges. That's the thing with Bitcoin. You never know; it might not ever drop back down there, but it could. I mean, I've been trading since like 1,000 and. Back in March, back here, so I got in, like, I got sold, but I didn't hold it the right way. I was being dumb with my money, and now I'm trying to do it the right way, because I'm still really young. I'm only 21 now, and you know, Bitcoin, like, here, let's go back to the let's go to the monthly, because it gives me a little bit. See, the monthly bars are still pretty green, and we have some support down here on the 555, or you know, 5,555. It's a lot of fives. Just, I don't know. Here, let me take away these trend lines and make it a little cleaner. And I'll show you what I'm doing with my moving averages. So this is a one moving average high, or EMA, and it just pretty much lets you know what the highest bid is. And you know, if you're trading it on the 30-minute, it's really easy to see the spikes and like where to, if it's gonna keep going or not. So if you're like down here, see, that's a link. See, crypto's crazy. You just gotta be patient and look at the higher time frames, and even though you can't just focus on the higher time frames because they're not always true. That's the thing, it's just crazy. Crypto is insane. I don't really know how to put it, but I have this feeling we're making a bottom for now, maybe. As you see, almost everything on Binance is really cheap, and you see BTG, we're getting some nice signals here in the 4 hour. We're getting some really nice squeezes on all the charts, so you know what that means. It means we're seeing a trend in all the cryptocurrencies, which could lead to a higher move in altcoin sector, or just, you know, altcoins in general, especially if they have news. I'm looking at WPR, BTC, no, not this one, not Bitfinex. Don't margin trade, guys. It's not worth it. I mean, I'll tell you that from experience. I used to do that. I was trading margin on Poloniex, and I've lost Bitcoins like literally in hours, due to like margin calls and just, you know, not looking at them, just going and taking a shower if you have too big of a
Ripple's betting against me, like fucking big time. My name's Aaron X, and we're coming through this flow, and I really hate this shit because my raps are coming through this show. I don't know, but let's fucking go, yo!
That's why you don't trade margins, so you just invest and trade, or, you know, hold US dollars if it's not the right time. So WPR, I think we're getting a nice little, see this, we're just way down here. Here, let me see if WPR has, here, that's the only one, dang. So it doesn't have that much history, so WePower, here, I'll go to the website, because it's kind of cool. Alright, so this is WePower and their website. So obviously they're targeting renewable energy, and you know, they have a really clever name, WePower, as in, you know, a global industry powering you know, everybody that lives on this planet. There's billions and billions of people, and you know, blockchain is not, there's so many applications for blockchain and the technology for it. We all know that, especially anybody in technology that is using it and coding it and actually just evolving the blockchain that much further so everybody can benefit in the future from it. is just so fantastic to me. I appreciate everybody doing this, and I love the fact that we have this, just globe of connected people. And if you're watching this, shout out to you. Leave a comment below. I'll definitely be reading it. And so this is WPR. I definitely feel like we're gonna get a move upwards. Just looking at the website, I know it's clean. They have, look at the people on it. It's just like their website's clean. So that's just like a good vibe to get off the website. I'm not gonna go too in depth. I'm not gonna read their white paper. I already know what they're about. So there's smart energy procurement. Smart energy procurement. WPR enables smart, flexible energy procurement in a form of smart energy contracts. Each of these contracts represent the amount of energy that a power plant is planning to produce in the future and how that energy is distributed between energy buyers and investors. They can be used to offset energy bills traded on marketplace or sold into the energy market wholesale. Sorry, I'm going a little. I'm gonna reread that line. They can be used to offset energy bills traded on the marketplace or sold into the energy wholesale market once the energy is produced. This is achieved by linking digital contracts with power grid data on blockchain. See, I don't really know that much about it, and clearly, because I'm like listening to music and it's kind of hard to focus. But I have this good feeling about it. I chart on Vibe. I don't know if I published the idea. Sorry about these ads, guys. And let me go to my ideas. Let's see my profile. So I don't have I don't have that. Let's get Vibe going. So I see this squeeze, bro. This squeeze is looking nice. Let's see what happens with this squeeze. I really don't want to see it drop. I don't want to see it drop below 411. And then if you want to play around, I bought 25,000 Vibe on paper trading. That just helps you helps you understand what's gonna work and what doesn't. And clearly not every single one's gonna be a winner, but you just gotta focus on the ones that are moving up and that have that momentum. And you'll see it. It's very noticeable. I mean, see, there's not that much momentum yet, but it's starting to pick up momentum. You can see it squeezing, and once this thing starts to pick up momentum, it'll be like this here. It could just keep going like that, waving up. So we haven't seen Vibe make some waves up in a long time, and they have a really cool, idea and platform for the cryptocurrency space. So I really just keep an eye on them. Bitcoin Gold, we're getting a nice little squeeze and daily cross up, getting some green bars on that daily, so that's looking really nice. Do I have any BTG? We'll just buy one BTG. So let's check out the 30 minute. What's the 30 minute looking like? 5 minute. So you see this lower trend line? I want to be buying near this thing. So if we see a drop, but it looks like Bitcoin is just got some momentum right now, and it's just traveling up near that 7K range, right around here. And you never know, it could really backfire and drop really fast. And if that happens, just expect the alts to fall with it. But here's the other case that I'm looking for. If that happens, no worries. Cash out, go to TUSD, or just sell, until you're comfortable. If you have too big of a position, sell like 75% of it, and then just hold cash, and you can buy lower. And you don't want to be holding the wave down, because you'll just be losing twice as much money. And if you catch it at the right time, you can make twice as much money on the way back up. So that's what I'm trying to say. So it's like you gotta be quick, but also slow at the same time. It's weird. It's like, cryptocurrency. Like, I just have that feeling where and anybody with me that trades cryptocurrency or does charting is definitely probably thinking the same thing, because they're all looking at the same lines. Not these ones, because I have way too many. You're probably like, what the fuck, this chart looks so crazy. And that's because it really does. And you see how harmonic it gets? That's what we're looking for. We're seeing a nice long squeeze down, It's looking really weird though. It's not like a nice long squeeze. It's like just kind of shaky. So that you never know. TNB is, I don't know about TNB. So Civic, there's Civic daily chart. It has some weird spikes. I've been watching that. It's like trading it back up here, and then it was starting to drop, and then I had to sell it. So I sold up here. So once you see it start to drop,
If you're like, so if you think this is the bottom, you think this is the bottom and it's gonna bounce, and you can already tell this little middle finger down here